my, well, yes.
Okay.
We had to record this one time.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
it's better work. I'm actually going to move my thing so it doesn't get in my way.
Yeah.
And by that, I mean since I never even use the chat, I'm putting it right in the corner. Well, not right in the corner.
I put it on the map
there.
so I can
the map.
use it so it won't get on my way, man.
put it on the map.
I don't use the map because I have you, MG.
But I haven't seen this play all yet.
You're my map.
Only few. This is episode 2 of this game.
Wait,
is even called.
are we putting this video on both the channels?
Yeah. But let's go.
Because I'm not that
So go
confident.
fight. Come on, go to the Dublin Bend Meadow or whatever. It's called. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Ew.
What?
Nothing.
Let's go talk that Finn right here.
What?
Right here. Where I'm walking to.
Okay.
There is
Hold
a
on.
snowstorm.
There is a snowstorm.
Did you get episode?
Yeah, I saw every single one.
Was it this vampire? Let's attack it all the way.
If
We will take it down no matter what you say.
MJ, shut your mouth. MJ, I'm about to say that. MJ. Ah!
Please don't tell me
Man, I'm dying. MJ, save me. MG, run. Help.
Okay, I'll run. I'll let you.
No, help me, please.
I don't know where you are.
I see you. Help.
It is a snowstorm. We are the snowstorm.
Did you sleepy?
Yeah.
I'm right here, man.
Well, bye-bye then.
MJ, I'm right here in front of your face.
Come on and die. You're not waiting.
If you haven't seen Romeo plus
Taking me
Vampire, you should go see it. It's awesome. Is it right? But
You leaving me again.
I'm right
You
in your
want me
face.
to help you, but you leaving. That's
No.
probably because you ain't loading in. There is a snowstorm.
There is a snowstorm. There is a snowstorm.
Where are you going?
I'm over here, Badoo.
You're right here.
Yeah, I'm very close to your behind you. Yeah.
There is a snowstorm.
I mean, we look so cool now. We look like we're battling. Like we're on.
My life.
Die.
For some reason I can't request you, but
Yeah, it's okay, man. It's okay, man.
in this spirit I feel for you now. God dang it, I had that in my mind.
There is a snowstorm. There is a snowstorm.
We're horrible singers, but I like singing. There is a snowstorm. Please don't tell me you can't take it. Just sitting here,
Like
just singing songs
singing.
from anime and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, my ultimate.
Alright. Have you seen what you call it, Vampire Nights? Vampire Nights is really cool.
There is a snowstorm.
Man, do you believe in Santa?
Huh?
Do you believe in Santa?
It's not Christmas time.
I know,
But
but
you know what it is? Nobody.
it's December.
It is a snowstorm. There is a snowstorm. And
Die!
Tell me now, so I can stop singing this song.
Okay, let me just go grab a knife.
Wait, not for real. Don't, please.
What? Oh God.
Can this be love?
MG, I fell.
Oh, Marissa, I'm gonna show you. Don't attack this one. Just watch. Don't
I
attack
don't
any of
even
them.
know.
Just watch how my magnificent power emerges. Look at that. Look at what I'm doing.
How do you do that?
I
MG, how do you
think
do
that's
that?
about 100. Diamond.
Ew. That's just disgusting.
I am the Eclipse woman.
I see your panties. I see you panties on now. See panties on now.
Take you all to hell. You think I'm not going,
Okay.
baby?
Leave in the comics. What's my favorite
Oh
song?
my god, I was
Christmas
so tired out. I
song.
literally
Yeah.
got dizzy.
And what's my favorite anime? Leave it down below.
Baby, the anime shows you a vampire.
You just gave them the answer. You stupid. And they don't even show it on Netflix anymore.
Where are you?
Man, they don't even show it, Megan. MJ, they don't show it, MJ.
I feel for you now. Tell me you can't
Shut up and stop singing. You're gonna get in my head, and then I won't be able to sing it. Then shut your pot hole. Well, I shut it up for you.
Never shut. There is a snowstorm. There is a snowstorm.
Stop.
Tell me you can't take it.
How long is this video gonna be, Megan? MJ,
snowstorm.
I'm talking to you.
I don't even know where you are.
Okay, I'm on.
There is a snowstorm. There is a snowstorm. Please don't tell me you can't take it.
MG. Okay, I see you. Don't leave me.
Oh, you're to load. You're to load in.
MG, how long is this video gonna be?
I don't know, about 20 hours.
I know.
Stop this person.
Going to die alone. Yo, man, you got that. You got that.
Decided to leave me hopeless.
I got my guns now. Got my guns, y'all. Got my guns, y'all. Got my guns, y'all. Y'all got my guns, y'all. Got my guns, y'all. Got my guns, y'all. He has no shirt on. This boy has no shirt on. That's just disgusting.
Where's I'm gonna show you the action.
I don't even know where you at. Megan!
I'm right here. I see your name tag.
Well, I don't see you.
I'm right here.
Okay.
I'll show you the ultimate of this gun. The best snowstorm.
There's a snowstorm. I can't get the thing.
There is a snowstorm. And it's something feeling in my heart.
You remember
There is a
Skune?
snowstorm. I'm gonna kill you.
Man, remember Skune? The weak one? The weak one? He's a human. He doesn't belong at that school. He's a human. Yeah, he's a human.
You know attack damage.
Skune is a human. Didn't you know that?
You're weak. You can't do anything.
Oh, yeah?
Weak. You're weak.
Oh, yeah? You want to say that to my guns, baby?
Killing because you're really awesome. Well, guess what? I'm the awesome one here.
Look.
I killed one with one freaking hit.
Actually, I was actually helping you.
Leave
a like if I was helping
I
me.
feel for you now.
So, leave like. I'm a beautiful. Ew, I got him.
I'm gonna give you. Oh wait, who messed up? I'm gonna move this.
MG, look. There's a guy without no shirt on. And his name, at the end of his name, is Gun. What type of name is that?
Let me see. Dragon Gun.
Dragon Gun. What type of name is Dragon Gun? And he has Zebra's pants and he has no shirt on. That's just disgusting. I'm not. There is a snowstorm. There is a snowstorm. What? There is a There is a snowstorm. There is a... Well, shall we move on? Because we got to get this video going. MJ! Speak!
I sent you something. If you go to chat and you say, and you go to star. No. Chat partner selected. Wait. Star. And then, wait, no.
What?
It's like we're controlling each other. I don't get it. Wait, run. Yes, that's you. Okay, so I want you. Wait, you should have gotten. I don't know if it's like a whisper or something. I don't get it. But Marissa, read what I put in the chat. Can this be love I feel for you? You know.
There's a snowstorm. There's a snowstorm. And blah, 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 blah. Because I can't watch it on Netflix anymore because there is no more on Netflix, man. I thought I told you yesterday or something.
No, there isn't. No, there's snow. There's snow.
But MJ, there is. There's no more of the Romeo plus Vampire on Netflix. They deleted it off so other people can watch the shows. So guys, go on YouTube, type Romeo plus Vampire, and you can see it. Cause that's the only way you're gonna see it. That's the only way I see it. Megan, you better call your butt up. Me, MG, my phone's at 3%. I'm at 3%.
Oh, we gotta go. Okay, give me a second. Let me type. I feel for you. Okay, well, it's time to go. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Mind me if you lost.